YouTube? It's your girl Jenyfromdablok, and I'm back on the block with another YouTube banger. Got a camera once and I know how to act. I told y'all I was gonna have y'all, and now we're back again with a YouTube video.
Period.
By the title of the video, you already know what's about to go down. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG tie-dye. Alright, so this came out today, and today's the 29th. This came out today, but I've had them for a week now, so I had them before they came out. And you know, when I seen them, I was like, listen, we gotta get those. Alright, so I already opened the box. I had to disinfect and make sure everything was good. You feel me? I had to keep it clean for you guys, period. Alright, y'all, so just because they let us out the house don't mean you don't have to sanitize and wash your hands and all that. Like, stay clean, because I love y'all and I love to see you in the future, okay? But this video is sponsored by Purple, and before I start talking about what Purple is about, if you don't want to listen to this ad, make sure you skip ahead to get what you came here for. But for my people that want to hear about Purple, Purple is, this is the name in case I'm not saying it right, but it's this little thing. It's like little circle you put at the back of your phone, and you could literally share your information without having to touch the other person's phone or, like, you know, all this nasty virusy stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all how it works. This is how it looks like. It comes in 2 different forms and a lot of colors. You can see, I'm gonna just put a picture up here so y'all can see how it really looks like. And to just share your information, you don't have to touch the person's phone. Your phone has to touch the person's phone. So you literally just go like that, and then it pops on their phone as an information. I will also put an actual video of me showing it so y'all can see what I am talking about. Alright, so like I was saying, this is all the information I want them to see. You could change and show them any information you want them to see. So it has my Instagram. They just click on it and it takes them right to my Instagram, everything on there. And when they click on my YouTube, especially my YouTube, because I like to tell people about my YouTube because I'm so underrated. Not trying to gas myself or anything, but I click on it, it takes them right to my YouTube, and it shows them everything. Oh my god, that's me, guys. Yeah, and same with all the social medias. You click on your TikTok. Guys, y'all do not want to see this. If you see this, I'm sorry. It's very cringy, but it takes you right to my TikTok. With that being said, follow on my social medias so we keep it friends. You could also do the same with your number. You could take all this stuff off if you don't want that person to get it. But when I click on my contact, it takes me right to my number. You know, it gives them my number. So you know how you go to a little mall and all the dudes be like, let me get your number, let me get your number, and you don't want them to touch your phone because they be very dusty and dirty. You just do that and it sends them your information. You don't even have to touch it. And one of the really cool things about this Purple is it works with every phone. It works with an iPhone 1 to 10, Android 0 to 50. It works with every phone, literally. And if you want to order one, I'm gonna put the link down below so you could order it, and I will also put a discount code so you could get 20% off. Okay, 20% off, boo. Get that money off, okay? I'm gonna put the link down below. And for my people in Ghana, I got y'all. People in other countries that want to order, I'm gonna also put the link in the bio so you can order it. It's gonna be, you're gonna have 10% off, and it's gonna be really cheap. And the cool thing about this is the other person doesn't have to have the Purple. They don't have to have this. All they need is a phone. They don't have to have an app, anything. You just tap your thing to their phone and it sends them everything. And since I love my girlies and my boys on the block, I'm gonna be giving away 2 Purples to 2 people that watch this video. And for the instructions, just stay tuned, watch this video, and you can find it in somewhere. Alright, so I already opened this already, so I'm just gonna show y'all what comes in it. Alright, so I bought this from Go, and I don't remember the price, I had to look. it was $255 in my size plus tax and shipping and everything. And I wear a 6 in women. Well, I wear a 6.5 in women, but I sized down because I didn't want them to crease and stuff, and it's absolutely fit perfect. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and comment down below videos you want to see. Make sure you watch this whole video for clear skin, of course, as always. And make sure you follow me on all my social medias, because guys, I need new friends. Make sure you follow me and text me, and all my social media are going to be in the description box below. So let's get into this video. Alright, so the first thing that come in the box is this goat thing. Alright, so it comes with this goat sticker, and it's technically like all the stuff they check to verify it. And I heard it's better to buy on goat because they make sure everything is legit, so that's what I did. And then it doesn't have anything extra. I got this in a size 6. Guys, come on. Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all, I got this in a size 6 in women. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Let's get a thumbnail, because listen. Alright, that was cringy, but oh well. Alright, this is how the shoe looks like. And guys, this is motherfucking schmexy, okay? Like, let me stop cussing before YouTube trying to play with my money. Alright, this is how it looks like, and this shoe is really tough. Like, if you ask me if it's good or not, I would say I definitely recommend. It's really good, and it's definitely affordable for the price. It came with black laces. I would have preferred if this part of the shoe, like right here, was white, but I like it black too because it's just like gives a whole vibe to the shoe. But this side is kind of like a rough material. I don't know what this is called, but I think it's suede. No, it's not suede, but it's like kind of rough. I know you could tell the bruh. You could tell the texture by looking at it. And the leather right here is really soft compared to like the court purples, because the court purple has some really tough leather. This is really soft. Alright, now let's talk about fitting. This really fit comfortable. Like, I sized down a half. Yeah, I sized down a half, and it still fit perfectly. It's not too tight. Even though I sized down in these, I recommend you size down in these because they're really comfortable. My feet feel really good in them, and it's really comfortable. Like, in the inside is really soft, not really hard, and right here, everything about this shoe is just perfect. Like, I really recommend, especially for my girls. Like, this is the best shoe. I'll put the link down below to the goat where I got it in case you want to order these. And the shipping on these was really fast. It was really fast. It took about a week for them. No, it took about 2 days for them to verify, and then a day, and it got here. So about 4 days. It was really fast. Like, I recommend to definitely shop on GOAT. This video is definitely not sponsored by Nike or GOAT. I bought everything with my own money and just wanted to show y'all how it feels and look. Alright, so now I'll try these on so y'all know how it looks on the feet. So yeah, let's get to that. Alright, boys and girls, I told y'all I was gonna give y'all a little, secret. Alright, so before we keep going into this video, comment down below a random number, and if I pick you, I'm gonna send the pupper to you. No shipping, nothing. You're just gonna send your address, and make sure you follow me on Instagram so you know if you win. Okay, go ahead. Let's get into the video. All right. Alright, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below videos you want to see, and make sure you check out my other videos. See you in my next video. Peace.